How to enable two-factor authentication on ExpertOption. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. If you are using ExpertOption and want to add an extra layer of security to your account, then enabling two-factor authentication helps protect your account by requiring a verification code in addition to your password when you sign in. Firstly, launch open the ExpertOption app or visit the ExpertOption website and sign in to your account. Once you're signed in from the main home page, go ahead and tap on the profile icon at the top right corner. And once you're inside this profile tab, from the top menu, scroll to Security. Inside Security, tap on Two-Factor Authentication. Once you're inside the Two-Factor Authentication tab, tap on Add. Now, choose the two-factor authentication type you want to add. You can choose email, Google Authentication, or Telegram bot. I'm just going to select email. If you select email, type down your email address and click on Send Message. Now you'll receive an email sent to your provided email inbox. Go check it open and you'll receive an email from ExpertOption. Go ahead and enter the code that you received. After you do that, click on Verify, and after you do that, you will be able to turn on two-factor authentication on ExpertOption. Now your account will be better protected against unauthorized access. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.